Hi, I'm Mike with the North American Field Support Service Team for nVent Thermal Management, and welcome to another edition of Raychem Connects, where we connect you to the product. Today we're going to be talking about another type of a heat sink. In this case, it's going to be a pipe shoe or a pipe support. As we discussed in previous videos, a heat sink is something that's going to cause additional heat loss rather than just our pipe. And we have to compensate for that with an adder, which is an additional amount of heat trace we need to apply. And we get those amounts from our adder tables or from an engineered drawing. In this case, I've got it from an engineered drawing. Remember, when we're measuring for adders, is we start on the far side of the device, in this case this heatsink, this pipe support, and I measure out whatever that adder may be. In this case, it's going to be 1.2 meters. As we begin our install, I'm going to plan my route work. My heat trace is going to come on the back side. This is going to be mostly for dramatic effect. That way you can get the best, you can see exactly what we're trying to achieve. I come around, I'm making sure I'm not too close to the edge of this, as it's a sharp edge and can cut the polymer jacket. I take my tape. This is just going to be holding it in place while I make my final adjustments. I come back across, making sure I clear the opposite side of the shoe itself. It's handy when you have additional rolls of tape to work with, because you can kind of work the two towards the middle, if you will. And then I come right across. And then my tape mark, where I measured it out, should line up on the far side, right where I started my measurement from. Now, the thing about doing these is that they can have instances where it's not really staying tight to the pipe, in which case we can use our AT180 tape. And that's simply a matter of rip off what you need, spread it across, and stick it on there. Bear in mind that your trace will not want to sit flat, and that's okay. Make sure, number one, is that you are at least 1 inch away, or at least a finger width away from the actual pipe support itself and where it touches the pipe, and the same on the back side. Hopefully this has helped. If you have any questions, please reach out to your nVent rep, consult our manual, or go to our website. Thanks and have a great day.
nVent. We connect and protect.